In this video, we'll be installing a UL67 US service entrance barrier for a PowerPact L main breaker. We'll start by removing the 8 screws that hold the lug cover onto the breaker. The barrier is designed to use 1 cable per lug or 2 cables per lug. If you're going to use 2 cables per lug, you need to remove the knockout of the top section before you install it. It slides into place through the 2 grooves in the breaker, and then you replace the top lid. Replace the screws. In the field, this process would be done during cable installation.